flight of Eddy's airplane.
With the wind?
With the wind. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, here we go. Full throttle. Come on, baby, come on. There we go.
Perfect.
The question is can I land it?
Well,
It is perfect now, though.
you're just letting on and off the throttle?
No, I'm full throttle, and I'm just steering left and right. This is a lot better than my other that I had that controlled. This fly is actually quite nice. I'm surprised. Although my flight doesn't look graceful, I'm actually in control here. I'm cutting the throttle. I got a no throttle now. Just right
turning.
turn.
You can't dive into the wind at all though, right? A little bit? Yeah. When it tilts then you get...
Oh!
Come on, you can do it. Power's cutting out.
Just don't hit me.
Don't crash it. We can return to that.
Yeah. Come on, land, baby, land.
Oh!